Today, we will talk about the ISM Manufacturing Index. The ISM Manufacturing Index, also known as the Purchasing Managers' Index, measures the change in production levels across the U.S. economy from month to month. It is a monthly indicator of U.S. economic activity based on a survey of purchasing managers at more than 300 manufacturing firms and is considered to be a key indicator of the state of the U.S. economy. Formally called the Manufacturing ISM Report on Business, the survey is conducted by the Institute for Supply Management, ISM. The ISM Manufacturing Index is a composite index that gives equal weighting to new orders, production, employment, supplier deliveries, and inventories. It is released on the first business day of each month and is one of the earliest indicators of economic activity that investors and business people get regularly. The index helps to monitor national economic trends and conditions and provides an early indication of changes in the business cycle. By monitoring the ISM Manufacturing Index, investors can better understand national economic trends and conditions. It can greatly influence investor and business confidence, as it reflects the ebb and flow of business conditions. An index of more than 50 indicates an expansion in the manufacturing segment of the economy, while a reading below 50 suggests a contraction of the manufacturing sector. The ISM survey is broadly diversified across industries and weighted by each industry's share of U.S. gross domestic product. Survey respondents report on activities such as new orders, production, employment, supplier deliveries, inventories, and commodity prices. The Composite Manufacturing Index is calculated by taking equal weightings for 5 categories of questions about new orders, production, employment, supplier deliveries, and inventories. In December 2022, the November 2022 Manufacturing Index reported the country's first contraction in manufacturing in 29 months. Despite being a leading economic indicator, the PMI number had the potential to greatly influence investor and business confidence, indicating the level of demand for products by measuring the amount of ordering activity at the nation's factories. Here are 5 key takeaways. 1. The ISM Manufacturing Index is considered a key indicator of the state of the U.S. economy. 2. It indicates the level of demand for products by measuring the amount of ordering activity at the nation's factories. 3. The PMI number, which is announced on the first business day of each month, can greatly influence investor and business confidence. 4. The Manufacturing Index report outlines index movement for manufacturing, new orders, production, employment, inventory, prices, and backlogs. 5. In December 2022, the November 2022 Manufacturing Index reported the country's first contraction in manufacturing in 29 months. Hope this would help. Thanks for watching.